Hey guys, welcome to Building My Home Part 8. It's been a while, but I've been kind of busy, but I'm back at it again. We're working on the house today. I'm going to be tying up some steel, and Doug is going to be on the outside. So journey with me guys. See you later. Peace. Yeah man, we've been getting a lot of rain lately. The place kind of damp, but we pushing through same way, you know? Yeah man. See great Dougie there.
Yo, this is
the boss. See great Dougie there. Yo, everybody want this guy to work, you know, from this guy get famous all of a sudden. Yeah man. Yeah man. Yeah man. I go on good from the other day, see? Yeah man, we're doing these two rooms right here. Yeah man, this is the washroom. And the room that we just came out of would be another bedroom. The passage, we're gonna be doing the passage. Yeah guys, we're outside. Doug is nailing up the cantilever. He's actually putting the shores for the support. So when the concrete is being poured, you have support on the outside part of the house. Yeah man, take a look. It's going very well. Yeah man. What you need, Dougie? Some board? Ah. Well, I'm good enough, brother. Yeah guys, this is the end result of the putting up the support on the beams. So we finished that. Next step, we're going on the roof, tying some steel. Hey guys. Yeah guys, we're on the rooftop. We're about to tie the steel. Yeah man, take a look. Yeah man, this is how it looks at the last stages before we put on the pipes for the electrical. Yeah man, it's going well. Yeah man, giving God thanks, you know. Yeah man. What is nipper? What in it? Some of them have to lift to go underneath your head. On the hammer, you lift up. Where there? Oh? Yo. You just say train me good man, one tip. You go on like seminar, go on good. Yeah guys, we're getting ready to put on the pipe, putting the pipes, the electrical pipes. Yeah man. As we go along, I'll let you guys see what's going on. What's on the concrete not going in?
No concrete, no paper box. Paper, the pipe. The concrete water. The pipe. If concrete water going in the pipe, you can't come out there.
Okay.
But if you go in the box, you can't come out.
I'm thinking of the... Oh, you just nearly through the pipe. You need to go through the pipe. Place cool. Oh, so you measure it and cut between those. Downstairs. Let me go check.
I am Mr. Lonely. Big script.
Yo!
You want to see my cover dead?
Yeah man.
Yo.
Some big old sitting. I tell you.
I think I'm in.
Man, Pius Cliff them must make out a tree. I will actually with the something them. Yo, then this cliff they're supposed to knock him out, man, but him a walk same way. Yeah guys, we're coming on very well, looking good. So now fly. So this will control the next room and the outside light same way.
Yeah man, for me and that you know. Cause that way you see come down isn't it man?
Yeah.
Like that the plug not come in at this kind of wanna plug for yourself again.
Plug.
Only plug you want when you link, that's your link.
You have a two-side plug for that room, and the outside part here so. And two-sided plug can go the right.
One you can put on one plug
back. Pan back right so.
You don't want that. You don't want more than
Carry come. All right, that's cool. Yeah, guys, I'll show you what's up later. Yes, guys, the day is finally over. We have put in some pipes for the electrical. We're about 90% complete, but it's kind of getting cold and it's getting late, so it's time to go home, get some dinner. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.
Whoa. Whoa.